Hello, health enthusiasts! Today, we're embarking on a fruity journey that's not just about tantalizing your taste buds, but giving your kidneys a refreshing cleanse. Picture this as a rendezvous with Mother Nature's vibrant palette, the top 10 fruits that will not only delight your senses, but also work wonders for your kidney health. So, whether you're sipping on a smoothie right now or just curious about the fruity wonders nature has in store, you're in for a treat. Hit that subscribe button, grab a fruity snack, and let's dive into the juicy world of kidney-cleansing fruits. Number 1. Watermelon. Hydration hero. Let's kick off this fruity affair with a summertime favorite, watermelon. Beyond its picnic-perfect allure, watermelon is a hydration hero, and your kidneys are clinking glasses in celebration. Think of your kidneys as the gardeners of your internal landscape, and watermelon is the nourishing rain shower. With its high water content, watermelon not only quenches your thirst but also flushes out toxins, giving your kidneys a spa day. So the next time you indulge in a juicy slice, know that you're not just savoring a summer delight, you're also giving your kidneys a splash of hydration they adore. Number 2. Berries, antioxidant bonanza. Now let's dive into the vibrant world of berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, the antioxidant bonanza that your kidneys crave. Antioxidants are like the superheroes of the fruit kingdom, fighting off the villains called free radicals. Your kidneys, being the unsung heroes of detoxification, appreciate this fruity support. Berries bring not only a burst of flavor to your palate, but also a flood of antioxidants, helping your kidneys stay resilient. So, whether you're tossing them into yogurt or enjoying them by the handful, know that you're not just snacking, you're fortifying your kidneys with a burst of fruity goodness. Number 3. Pineapple. Enzymatic elegance. Let's add a tropical twist to our kidney cleansing menu with a golden delight. Pineapple. Beyond its exotic sweetness, pineapple brings enzymatic elegance to support your kidney's natural processes. Enzymes are like the choreographers of digestion, ensuring that everything flows smoothly. Your kidneys appreciate this dance of digestion, and pineapple is a delicious partner in a routine. With its bromine content, pineapple aids in breaking down food and reducing inflammation. So the next time you're savoring a pineapple-infused dish, know that you're not just enjoying a tropical treat, you're giving your kidneys a taste of enzymatic elegance. Number 4. Apples. Fiber-rich crunch. An apple a day doesn't just keep the doctor away. It also adds a satisfying crunch to your kidney-loving feast. Apples are like fiber-rich allies, and your kidneys applaud this delicious support. Fiber is the unsung hero that aids digestion and keeps things moving smoothly, and your kidneys appreciate this rhythmic flow. By biting into an apple, you're not just enjoying a crisp snack, you're also providing your kidneys with the fiber they need to maintain a clean internal environment. It's like inviting a reliable housekeeper to ensure that your kidneys operate in a clutter-free space. So, whether you prefer them sliced or whole, know that you're not just snacking, you're creating a fiber-fueled delight for your kidneys. Number 5. Kiwi. Vitamin C explosion. Now, let's venture into the world of tiny yet mighty kiwi. Beyond its fuzzy exterior lies a vitamin C explosion that your kidneys adore. Vitamin C isn't just for fending off colds, it's a key player in supporting kidney health. Kiwi, with its high vitamin C content, is like a zesty tonic for your kidneys, giving them the antioxidant boost they need. Imagine it as a burst of citrusy goodness that not only wakes up your taste buds, but also invigorates your internal filtration system. So, whether you're scooping out the green goodness or blending it into a smoothie, know that you're not just indulging in a tropical treat, you're nurturing your kidneys with a vitamin C explosion. Number 6. Cranberries. UTI defenders. Let's talk about little red warriors, cranberries. These tiny powerhouses are like defenders against urinary tract infections, UTIs, and your kidneys are waving their flags in appreciation. Cranberries contain compounds that prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract walls, reducing the risk of infections. It's like providing your kidneys with a shield, ensuring that their filtration process isn't interrupted by unwanted invaders. So whether you enjoy them in juice or incorporate dried cranberries into your snacks, know that you're not just savoring a tart flavor, you're also giving your kidneys a natural defense mechanism. Number 7. Mango. Tropical kidney bliss. Let's infuse a bit of tropical bliss into our kidney-cleansing symphony with the king of fruits, mango. Beyond its heavenly taste, mango is like a tropical vacation for your kidneys. Mangoes are rich in vitamins and enzymes, providing a burst of nutrition that your kidneys appreciate. It's like gifting your kidneys a fruity getaway, complete with a dose of immune-boosting goodness. So the next time you're devouring a ripe mango, know that you're not just indulging in a sweet escape, you're also treating your kidneys to a tropical rendezvous. Number 8. Grapes, antioxidant gratitude. Let's raise a vineyard toast to grapes, the bite-sized wonders that bring antioxidant gratitude to your kidney-loving menu. Grapes, whether red or green, are packed with antioxidants like resveratrol, which supports overall kidney health. It's like a sip of red wine without the alcohol, a delightful way to show your kidneys some love. By snacking on grapes, you're not just enjoying a sweet treat, you're also providing your kidneys with a dose of antioxidant goodness. So whether you're freezing them for a refreshing snack or tossing them into a fruit salad, know that you're not just enjoying grapes, you're celebrating antioxidant-rich kidney bliss. Number 9. Papaya, digestive dynamo. Let's introduce a tropical digestive dynamo to our fruity ensemble, papaya. Beyond its luscious taste, papaya is like a digestive ally that your kidneys welcome with open arms. Papaya contains enzymes like papain that aid in digestion, ensuring that your internal processes flow seamlessly. Your kidneys, being the masters of filtration, appreciate this digestive support. It's like having a backstage crew that ensures the show goes on without a hitch. So the next time you're relishing a bowl of ripe papaya, know that you're not just savoring a tropical delight, you're also giving your kidneys a digestive dynamo to keep things running smoothly. Number 10. Oranges, citrus symphony. As we conclude our fruity adventure, let's do it with a citrusy flourish, oranges. Beyond their sunny appeal, oranges are like a symphony of citrus that your kidneys applaud. Oranges are renowned for their high vitamin C content, a crucial player in supporting kidney health. It's like a burst of sunshine directly into your internal filtration center. By indulging in an orange or sipping on freshly squeezed orange juice, you're not just enjoying a citrusy delight, you're also providing your kidneys with the nutrients they need to thrive. So, whether you're peeling an orange or creating a citrus-infused concoction, know that you're not just enjoying a fruit, you're orchestrating a citrus symphony for your kidneys. Conclusion. And there you have it, a fruity fiesta designed not just for your taste buds, but as a loving gesture to your hardworking kidneys. These fruits aren't just snacks, they're partners in your journey toward optimal kidney health. If you found this fruity exploration enlightening, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share the video, and let us know in the comments which kidney-loving fruit surprised you the most. Your kidneys work tirelessly day in and day out, so why not treat them to a rainbow of flavors that also promote their well-being? Until our next fruity escapade, here's to happy and healthy kidneys.